Okay, I'm going to replace this on this GX345, and I couldn't find any videos of which way the linkage rod goes in. And in one blog I found the linkage rod goes in from this side and sticks this way. And then there's a hole here for this spring that's going to run over to the battery box. That's a return spring. Pretty hard to get a hold of anything, but if you can put the spring on first, get your hand in here enough to hold the rod in the up position, but there's just enough room. Then slide that rod, has to stay over to one side. Like that. And the spring fell off. I don't know if this is the right spring anyway, one I had. So then you have the spring hooked on there. And it has to fish up through there, because I think it'd be a bitch to put it on afterwards. And then those two big ears just slide over the top of the pins that are sticking out. Well, I guess maybe not. Great design, John Deere. Oh, and that thing, there's a little dog ear on the top of the lever. That has to go in there. And all this without breaking a new one. See if we'll try a little thin cutting knife. I got it on one side then. I'm pretty sure that has to go on the inside. ants, of course. We'll see. I don't know if you need that or not. It would have been way a lot nicer if that would have stayed hooked on there. Well, I guess you don't need that spring anyway. With this, you'll have to flip it down manually without. Well, I don't know where the hell it went. Anyway, it's in there, it'll work. If I find the spring, I might put it on.